Today we're going to show you how to maximize productivity and minimize cost with new edge and void fillers from Huntsman. Let's focus on Epicast 1645 flame retardant edge and void filler. Epicast 1645 is an ultra-low density flame retardant material designed for honeycomb core structure edge closeout. When you close out these structures with an edge fill like this, it helps prevent moisture intrusion as well as offering strength to the edge of the core. By design, Epicast 1645 is faster to gel time, faster to sanding time, allowing you to increase the throughput in your shop. Epicast 1645 has a color mix indicator, with part A being brown, part B being white. When the two are thoroughly and properly mixed by hand, there should be no streaks remaining and it should be a uniform light brown color. One of the outstanding features of Epicast 1645 is not only its 12-month shelf life, which is twice that of its nearest competitor, but also its improved off-ratio mix tolerance allowance. It can be off mix ratio by as much as 40% and still maintain up to 90% of its intended design strength. Simply mix by hand until there are no streaks and the color is uniform. While there are many methods that you can use to apply Epicast 1645, one of the more popular methods is to simply roll out a rope, the approximate size of the edge you're going to cast, then apply it. Okay. Notice there are no striations, no colors, no streaks, no hot spots of either brown or white in the rope that we're about to apply. Work the material into the edge. While the material is being worked into the edge, leave a little excess that we'll trim off neatly in just a moment. Material is easily trimmed with a putty knife. Once we finish trimming the material, it should be able to be sanded within just 2 to 3 hours. Again, this is by design and it sets so quickly it allows for faster throughput and increased productivity in your shop. Thanks for watching and we appreciate your time. If you would like to learn more, please follow the link provided and let us know how we can help. We have product flyers, technical data sheets, and samples available upon request.